Welcome to my Halo 5 Forge tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this line of sight detector in Halo 5 Forge. First thing we're going to do is set up the object you want to be detected. The only thing we'll be changing is the label. Go ahead and set this to alpha. The rest of the settings can be changed to your liking. For the next few parts, everything you place is going to be in the phased physics setting until we are ready to change them, and be sure to disable scripts on the map options. The next thing you're going to do is place a weapon of your choice and change the settings to this. The label will be set as Zulu. Respawn set to disabled. You do not want this item to respawn, it will cause issues. Next, we will have two advanced spherical cage joints overlapping each other. Be sure to place them in exactly the same location. I suggest turning on grid snap or editing the values directly. You also want to place these as close to the weapon you labeled earlier without overlapping it. One will be placed at its normal rotation, while the other will be placed at a 90-degree roll, -45 pitch, and -45 yaw. All we are trying to do with these is create an enclosed joint. These will be the settings for both of the cages. For the first script, create a timer check condition. Set the initial to 0 and the repeat to 0, 5. For the first action, create a move offset. The object will be this add. Target will be label add user Zulu. Set the horizontal and vertical offset to 1 and 1. Enable the local setting and time to 0.10. We will repeat this for the second cage. Now place an advanced spherical ball joint with the same coordinates as the cage joints placed earlier. The setting will be this. Create a cylinder boundary and change the radius to however large you want the line of sight to be, and the top to be however far you want the line of sight to register. For the first script, create a boundary check. Check on enter, filter objects, and repeat 0.05. First action will be nav marker change. Players add, change add, targets, activator add, label include, user alpha, dead exclude. Change the text color and distance as needed. This will be the marker that shows when an object is in sight. Next script will be boundary check. Check exit, filter, objects, and repeat 0.05. First action will be nav marker change. Players add, change remove, targets, activator add, label include, user alpha. Now you can rotate the sphere so the top is facing the same way as the weapon that was placed. Next, place two more advanced cages to exactly 3 coordinates from the previous 2 cages and rotate them the exact same way. For the first script, create a timer check. Initial 0, repeat 0.05. First action will be move offset. Objects this. Target, label add, user Yankee. Set the offset to 3 forward and 1 for the horizontal and vertical. Enable the local setting and time to 0.10. This will be the exact same for the second cage. Place another advanced spherical ball joint in the exact same coordinates as the two advanced cages that were just placed. The label for this will be Yankee. First script, create a timer check condition. Set initial to 0 and repeat to 0.05. First action will be move offset. Objects, this. Targets, label add user Zulu. Set the offset to 3 forward and 1 for the horizontal and vertical. Enable the local setting and time to 0.10. Next you want to select the first sphere that was placed and the two advanced cages that were placed second. Be sure to select the sphere first. Once selected, go ahead and create a welded group. Once welded, change the physics to normal. Go ahead and enable scripting and test it out. The zone should follow the weapon and show a nav marker for all objects in the zone with the alpha label. This is very buggy, so you can't do any fast movements or switch weapons. It will cause it to break. And that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and select the bell for notifications.